Okay, so the first data center AI build out stock that we're going to talk about is Terawulf. Ticker WULF. And many of you already know about this because it's trending. So before I show you my trade, let's talk about a few statistics that made me pull the trigger on it Friday. Number one, I got an unusual options activity on my E-Trade account. It says that the $15 strike price had a volume of 27.1 thousand. And you know I love that unusual option activity, especially when it's above 20K. So that right there is a green light for me. 27,000 volume means something's brewing here, and I want a cup of it. So now let's check the financials. And all I see is blue skies because it's the exact same setup as APLD. And it's even better than APLD. And here's why. So Terawulf has a $5.6 billion market cap. APLD had a $7.5 billion before earnings. Terawulf's EPS is a negative 0.35, approximately the same as APLD. And then we see that Terawulf's short interest is 34.5%. That's crazy high. But it was the same thing with APLD, which was at 32%. So that right there, I don't understand because it's the exact same setup as APLD. And APLD went up 100% in 4 weeks. So now we go to the balance sheet. And I don't see any red numbers here that are significant. The balance sheet looks excellent. They have 174 million in equity. And we see that Terawulf purchased 152 million in their own stock this last quarter, which is another green light for me. And now we look at the income, and what do we see? We see a 40% increase from last quarter, which puts Terawulf at 47.6 million in revenue last quarter. And what else do we see? We see that their operating costs improved by 30%. And I love seeing operating costs go lower than revenue. So if APLD improved their revenue by 30% from the prior quarter, I'm thinking Terawulf will do the same thing. It will probably be even 50%. Why? Because look at this. Terawulf signed a 10-year deal with FluidStack. And FluidStack is backed by Google. Therefore, Google receives 8% equity stake in Terawulf. Google.